This is the single most important lesson that you must learn. Understanding the legal definition of person. If you spend an hour learning this material, you will be rewarded for the rest of your life. The word person in legal terminology is broadly defined to include entities other than human beings. See USC Section 1. This principle was affirmed in Church of Scientology v. U.S. Department of Justice, 1979, 612 F.2d 417, 425. One of the first sections in your state statutes will include definitions. When studying these definitions, you will likely find language similar to the following. In construing these statutes and each and every word, phrase, or part hereof, where the context will permit. 1. The singular includes the plural and vice versa. 2. Gender-specific language includes the other gender and neuter. 3. The word person includes individuals, children, firms, associations, joint ventures, partnerships, estates, trusts, business trusts, syndicates, fiduciaries, corporations, and all other groups or combinations. Note, however, the definition statute does not list man or woman, therefore, they are excluded from all the statutes. The rule of Expressio Unius Est Exclusio Alterius. Under the legal principle Expressio Unius Est Exclusio Alterius, when a statute or constitution enumerates specific things on which it operates or forbids certain actions, it is presumed to exclude everything not expressly mentioned. Statutory words are generally given their plain and ordinary meaning unless explicitly defined otherwise. This applies not only to statutes but also to the Constitution itself. Only persons can commit state-created crimes. Carefully reading state statutes will reveal a pattern. Statutory offenses are phrased similarly to these examples. 1. A person commits the offense of failure to carry a license if the person. 2. A person commits the offense of failure to register a vehicle if the person. 3. A person commits the offense of driving uninsured if the person. 4. A person commits the offense of fishing if the person. 5. A person commits the offense of breathing if the person. Notice that only persons can commit these state legislature-created crimes. A crime is defined as an offense against the state. An offense against a human is known as a tort. Examples of torts include personal injury, slander, or defamation of character. How does someone become a person under the law? There is only one way to become a state-defined person, by contract. You must ask the state for permission to volunteer to become a state person. This is necessary because the U.S. Constitution forbids the state from compelling you into slavery. This principle is protected under 13th Amendment. Section 1, neither slavery nor involuntary servitude, except as a punishment for crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted, shall exist within the United States, or any place subject to their jurisdiction. 14th Amendment. Section 1, all persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property, without due process of law, nor deny any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. The office of person. You become a state-created statutory person by taking up residency within the state. Stepping into the office of person. This means that to be regulated and controlled by state law, you must hold an office within the state government. First, the legislature creates the office. Then, they establish their control over those who hold that office. If you do not hold an office in state government, their legislative control over you is prohibited by the Declaration of Rights section, usually section 1 or 2, of your state constitution. What this means for you. Understanding how the legal system defines person is crucial to knowing your rights and obligations. By contracting with the state, you voluntarily subject yourself to statutory control. Recognizing this distinction is the key to reclaiming personal sovereignty. Take the time to question the laws you accept and understand the true nature of legal definitions. Knowledge of these principles is one of the most valuable lessons you can learn.